Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So I got a few toys out here today. Just got the my Losi fixed. It's been broke down for a while. I haven't done too many videos on this channel with this truck because it's been broke down for so long. But it's now fixed and we'll be doing a test video on this soon. I also have this Yeti XL that I have never drove. I've never done any videos with it. It's now fixed. It's ready to go. We'll be doing a video with this. I fitted my GoPro Session in there as one of the driver's heads. So there'll be some footage of that in the video from the GoPro that's on there as one of the driver's heads. And then we also got this boat still. This is a boat I'm fixing for somebody. That'll definitely be in a future video still. We just got to get it running, take it out and test it, film it, and we'll put it in a video. It probably won't be a video by itself, but in one of the videos there'll be some boat footage. But today's video is about, there was a little bit of tornado damage overnight up in Alvord. And I went and flew my drone. There was some flooding. I flew my Spark around the flooding and got some drone shots of the flooding, some creeks that overran their banks. And then there was like a couple sheds and a building that had part of it ripped off. You guys are going to see the drone footage here in a minute. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and show you what's going on. I got basically some new trucks for the channel, and I'll have some boat footage, like I said, coming up. But this video is the drone footage that we got earlier this morning after some tornado went through in Alvord, like up by Lake Bridgeport area overnight last night. It wasn't nothing too severe like the one that hit Dallas last year, nothing like that. But there was a little bit of cool stuff, and we got some good drone shots. And I did the asteroid feature on the drone, the Mavic 2 Pro. I pushed in asteroids. You guys are gonna see that at the end of the footage. Anyway, guys, let me quit rambling, and we'll get on to these projects later on. And let's roll that drone footage right now. Losi going, so there's going to be some videos coming with that. And we're definitely going to be doing a video with this. I've never drove this one yet. And I wanted to show you guys the GoPro I put in there. That's a GoPro Session I put in there in place of the head. So that ought to be some pretty good footage. Yeah, guys. You guys keep your heads up. Let's stay positive. We all got to look out for each other in these times. My business is completely shut down. I can't go to any auctions. All the auctions have been canceled, so I can't buy any stuff to resell. And then all the flea markets are closing. So the only options I would have would be to do garage sales. But we're supposed to be self-isolating, so my passion is YouTube, and I want to do YouTube, and I want to help spread positivity in hard times and keep you guys entertained. So if that's something you guys are interested in supporting, smash that subscribe button for me. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.